Hey, what's up? So today we're going to find out how to make a box like this without using any of CSS. Because CSS is trash. No, I'm kidding. I love CSS. But, so how we do this, we do field set. This is setting the field. You see, setting the field. And so that makes the box right there. And then the box will automatically adjust to your words. So, hello. Why do I always put a W at the end? How are you? So it'll do that. And it's a nice little box. Now that you like your box, it's good. But I would recommend doing like CSS with borders and like, I mean, if you don't know CSS, it's okay. But like, it's not the hardest thing to learn. But like borders with a little bit of padding, and it would be right there, the exact same thing. Because you don't get the individual colors, and you don't get the exact padding. But for now, I guess it'll be good. Thanks for watching. See ya. Goodbye.